Right, time for dinner. Them roasted mushrooms are finished, so let's turn that oven off, okay? And let's get our tray of roasted mushrooms out, okay? Ooh. There we go. Look at that little lot. Can't pick it up and show you because of all the oil on it. So what we'll do is we'll get a couple of bowls. Okay. All right, all right. Yeah, all right. It's like 30 minutes, I know. So let's get some of these mushrooms out. Okay. And what we'll do to finish them off, a little bit of salt. Okay, just make sure, get a bit of everything for someone in there. A little bit of salt. There's my salt. And then take a lemon. Okay. And we give it a little squeeze of lemon juice over the top. And there you have roast mushrooms, Hobbit style. That's me dinner. We'll get the supper later.